Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have an amazing week so far. I have been so busy lately, like I've literally non-stop, but today I'm going to make another juice cleanse because I know you all loving my juice cleanse video. So today I am making a really nice healthy green smoothie. So I have all the ingredients here, guys, as you can see. I've got it all set up. I am so looking forward to having this because I definitely really need a really nice cleanse. As you know, I love my health and goodness. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a really nice healthy smoothie. It's gonna be so good for you. This really helps with liver, colon, and definitely like your digestive system. Like so much really health benefits to make a really nice healthy green juice. So yeah, guys, this is what I've got. So all this is all chopped up, all ready to go. So this is my pineapple. So yeah, I did chop the pineapple. I have my cucumber, spinach, kale, and green apples, half a lemon, and celery. So yeah, guys, all these goodness here I'm looking forward to make. So the benefits with this green juice is that it's packed with nutrients, stronger immune system, and better digestion, and especially healthier hair and skin and more energy, guys. So yeah, guys, definitely check out this recipe. It will be on my blog. So yeah, guys, always be safe when you're using any hard machines like this. So yeah, guys, we are going to get on with our juicing. This is it, the finishing touch of my really nice healthy juice cleanse. Like, look at all that, guys. Oh my god, so delish. Looking forward to trying it. And as you can see, the pulp in here, look at all that, guys. Look at all that. So you can really use this if you wanted to. So see if I can try this. So I did just leave a couple of pineapple, have a try for later. But I am going to mix this now. Like, let me see if I can take this out. But I'll just leave that there. So let's mix this. Look at all that, guys. Super healthy. So much goodness in here, guys. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've tried this because this is going to taste amazing. All this, guys, is just all these goodness. So I am going to try this now because I am looking forward to it. But definitely check out my blog because it is going to be all in there, guys, of how I made this properly, all in detail. So yeah, guys, definitely check that out. This is gonna taste yummy, but let me know in the comments if you've tried this, guys. This is the moment of truth of this taste test. So let's pour this in. Look at all those nice green juices, guys. Super delish. So there is my nice green juice. Okay, guys, so let me give this a nice taste test. Oh my god, guys, this tastes amazing. Like, you can really taste the pineapple and the celery, especially the cucumber and the apples. So the apples and the pineapple really give that really nice sweetness to it. But definitely highly recommend to try this, guys. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye, guys.